Hello everyone, this is one of my recent microfictions. The title is A Rainy Night. Who and why is not important. I chose a heavy rainy night to camouflage the shovel's noise in the thunderous downpour. The wet, mushed ground made my work so much easier. But just as I threw the last mound of mud to cover her face, she opened her eyes and her body vibrated, sending a chill up my spine. That's when I thought frightfully, I should have burnt her instead of burying. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.